Welcome to this video on cancellations, where we will be looking at how to implement the cancellation fee feature in your shortcuts. Now, just like with any change, education is the key to success, and therefore we do highly recommend educating your clients on what to expect with your new cancellation policy by building it into your phone booking process and sending your existing clientele a campaign advising them that you will be communicating with them on opting into your cancellation policy and asking them to submit their credit card details. So please ensure that you do watch the first video in this series, preparing for cancellations and cardless checkout, for lots of tips and tools that we now have available for you. So sending out a cancellation policy and collecting the credit card details is nice and easy, and this is done manually. The reason being that you can choose who you want to be opted into your credit card sort of cancellation fee policy. So if you have some clients who feel that maybe they would object to being in your cancellation fee policy, then you can choose not to send that to them. So like I said, it's nice and easy and it is manual. So we're going to go to the first client, Anna, in the top left corner. Anna's a brand new booking. We're going to click on her, bring up the touch tip, and you can see now we have two tabs here. It automatically opens up on your credit card details there, and you just simply select cancellations. Anna will receive an SMS and email to ask her to opt into your new policy. You can see there that there's an orange indicator. That indicator will stay there until Anna opts in and submits those details. Just below Anna, we have James. James has opted in and submitted his details. So we're just going to bring up the touch tip for him, go to credit card details, and you can see there that we have him opted into your cancellation fee policy. Now, to activate and implement that in the case of a no-show or cancellation, we're just going to go back to James and right click. We're going to go down to delete there at the bottom, and we have a little overview of the fee. Now this is per service, not per total booking, so please remember that. And we're going to pop in a note for your reporting purposes. I'm just going to pop a note in here to charge this client, and we're going to choose the client cancellation option. James has disappeared. He's now gone onto the cancellation list. And then with Beverly, we're going to right click there on Beverly. Now Beverly is going to no show. So we're going to click on delete rather than the no show. That no show there is simply just a marker. So we still come down to delete. We're going to pop in a note here again to charge Beverly. And this time we're going to click on the no show option. Beverly will disappear, so she's now on the list as well. At this point, I'd just like to point out that if you are doing anything else with the service, maybe changing the service to something else or rescheduling to another day, please do that in the appropriate way and not by deleting and doing something else with it, because that will activate that cancellation fee. So we're going to go down to menu in the bottom right corner and click on cancellations. Now you can see there we have a list of people that have cancelled today or not shown today. So we have Beverly there at the top, who we've marked as a no-show, and James just underneath, who cancelled. A little bit of information as we come across. You do have the ability to either reduce or increase that fee if you want to. I can change that and move that up to $7. And then you do have the option of charging or waiving. So it's totally up to you how you want to do that. There is some more information underneath here. There's a date range. You get to see the notes, a little bit more information about what was cancelled or no-showed. I'm just going to tick cancellation there. So we're going to cancel all. Come down to process. Just to confirm, that then goes through. You can see it's just generating and going. So we're just going to wait for that to happen. That will then just confirm with you that those have gone through, and then you'll see above there that they are now grey, so that process has been complete. So that's it, nice and easy for you. So please make sure you check out all the videos in this series, and yeah, thank you for watching.